Welcome, here I've got ULEFONE Armor 5S and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here. So let me try to use them to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more advanced options of the camera with the volume key feature. So by just one tap here, we can decide to change the volume key function from volume to shutter, which is now or zoom. Now let me change this to zoom to show you how it works different. And let me try to use these buttons once again now. Maybe let me change view to this one. And as you can see now, by tapping on the volume keys, I can get closer and also go back, so I can use zoom. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.